Hello, citizens of Baltimore. All right, so I put the kitchen in one of my doll houses. Okay. And I kept the packaging and was able to put it on the floor so to give it some height. And look where it fits. I have to add something to make it tall because it got a opening, but it fits perfect. Yeah. So that's the drink I made. Okay, and with the resin, how you know it's dry, like the straw don't move. Okay, and here are the donuts that we made. I put them in a box. And what I did was I made a bowl of cereal with the frosting and the cereal. So I was able to use my bowl. There you go. Uh-oh. But it's set. Well, most of them are. Okay, and got my cereal in the cabinet. Okay. Oh, look, y'all. It never opened. Wait. Come on. Look at that drawer. How cute. All right. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in one of my doll houses. This is the frozen. Yeah, the frozen doll house. And yeah, it fits pretty good. So if you was thinking about getting it, just kind of give you an idea how it would look with the refrigerator also. All right, thank you again, guys, for watching. Good night, for real this time.